Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to grow your Bitcoin over time using Cash App. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are using Cash App in order to buy Bitcoin. How do you actually grow your Bitcoin over time using Cash App? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, let's go ahead and open up the Cash App. Then on the bottom left hand corner, let's click on the dollar sign. And then click on your Bitcoin wallet underneath Save and Invest. So the way that you can actually grow your Bitcoin over time is that if you scroll down, Cash App has 3 features that allow you to invest your spare change into Bitcoin. You could also set up recurring buys on Bitcoin. So let's say that every week you buy $5 of Bitcoin, you can use that using the auto invest. And you could also invest your direct deposits into Bitcoin without a fee. So these 3 ways are a fabulous and fantastic way in order to grow your Bitcoin over time. You can set it up once and it'll run automatically. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know to actually go ahead and grow your Bitcoin over time. The one that has been most beneficial for me is the setting up the recurring buys on a week-to-week basis so that I dollar cost average into Bitcoin. Now keep in mind that this isn't financial advice.